All right, number 2 gives us that g of x is equal to -2 times the square root of x squared, which is a little bit weird because the square root of x squared is just x, but we're going to go with it. So g of x equals -2 times the square root of x squared. We want to know what g of 8 plus x is equal to. So whenever we have something like this, notice this is g of x. So g of 8 plus x is just this same thing, but with 8 plus x plugged in for x. We've replaced the x with 8 plus x. So that's all we're going to do on this side of the equation. -2 times the square root of 8 plus x squared. So now let's expand that 8 plus x squared out. And I'm going to do that separately down here. Notice we're used to seeing the x first. Let's put this in standard form. Let's switch the 8 and the x around. They're both positive. We're adding them together. Addition is commutative, so we can switch that to x plus 8. And notice that x plus 8 squared is equal to x plus 8 times x plus 8. And so we can expand this out by multiplying x times x is x squared. X times 8 is 8x. And let's see, 8 times x is 8x. And then 8 times 8 is 64. So this is x squared plus 16x plus 64. That's x plus 8 squared expanded out. So g of 8 plus x is equal to -2 times the square root of this, x squared, plus 16x plus 64. And that's our answer.